Have you ever wondered how drones work? How these small yet powerful machines manage to hover in the sky, perform complex maneuvers, and even carry payloads? Well, wonder no more, because today we're delving into the fascinating world of drones. At their core, drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, use principles of physics, particularly the laws of motion and aerodynamics. They are essentially flying robots that can be remotely controlled or fly autonomously through software-controlled flight plans. The heart of a drone is its control system, often referred to as the flight controller. This little piece of technology is the drone's brain. It's responsible for interpreting the inputs from the remote controller, the onboard sensors, and the GPS system. It then adjusts the drone's motor speeds accordingly to generate lift and control the flight path. The drone's propellers play a crucial role in its flight. They are driven by motors which, when the propellers spin, push air down and create an upward force called lift. This lift needs to overcome the drone's weight for it to ascend. If the lift is less than the drone's weight, it descends. If the lift equals the drone's weight, the drone will hover. Drones typically have 4 propellers, hence why they are often called quadcopters. The 2 front and 2 back propellers spin in opposing directions. This counter-rotation balances the drone, preventing it from spinning out of control. The drone's onboard sensors are another critical component. These include accelerometers and gyroscopes. Accelerometers measure speed changes, while gyroscopes measure the drone's orientation or angular velocity. These sensors help the drone maintain balance and stability during flight. The GPS system in a drone is what enables autonomous flight. It communicates with satellites to determine and maintain the drone's position. This is how drones can follow pre-programmed flight paths and return to their launch point if necessary. Drones also often come equipped with cameras. These cameras can stream live video to the controller, enabling the pilot to see what the drone sees. This is particularly useful in drone racing and aerial photography. To summarize, drones work by combining the principles of physics with sophisticated technology. Their flight controller interprets inputs and adjusts motor speeds to control flight. Propellers generate lift, sensors maintain balance and stability, and the GPS system enables autonomous flight. Add in a camera, and you have a versatile machine that can be used for everything from aerial photography to drone racing. Remember though that flying a drone requires skill and responsibility. Always follow local laws and regulations, respect people's privacy, and be mindful of safety. But most importantly, have fun exploring the